Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Artrinsics. I am Liz. Love you guys. Thank you for being here today. I'm gonna throw some inspiration your way, hopefully. So I thought I was filming and I was not, and I created this book and I'm really sad because it was a cool, a whole type of put it together thing. Sometimes that's just how we roll. We just screw up sometimes. Anyway, so what I had was these huge pieces of recycled materials, like Amazon packages that I took apart, and envelopes, you know, the big stuff, right? And this great, wonderful packaging paper. This is an under paper, actually it's deli paper. Some other packaging, and another envelope. And I made this huge book, and then I just got paint on everything because it's wet. I made this book, and it is 16 by 12. So 16 inches tall by 12 inches wide. I trimmed off the things, all the edges, because it's actually up to like 22. So I took some off the top and bottom, and then I took some off the side because it was out to about 14 or 15 inches. So I just made it into a book type thing with all of this paper. I put a 3-hole pamphlet stitch in here that I hope stays because I accidentally ripped it in the middle. I managed to get a little knot in here. And I taped it, but it's only this little twine. So I don't know, I might have to tape things to keep it in place better. But I got the idea of making something like this from, well, because there's tons of ideas out there, but from Outrageous Art Therapy. She makes books similar to this, and she's on Instagram. So if you can find her, she's very inspirational. Of course, there's a lot of inspirational people out there. But I saw her doing something like this, and it's like, I think that's what I want to do. I haven't been able to get into my craft room for a little while, a couple days, in fact, and it's getting on my nerves that I haven't been able to. I took the scraps and leftover paint and just kind of did the whole smush technique on here and got some stuff on them. And I'll play with these more, maybe use that black marker on them and whatever else. And then they can also be used. You know, we don't waste scraps, especially this cool packaging. And I took my pieces of fun things here and just added some color. I grabbed 3 colors, just willy-nilly. Like green is the parakeet, bright blue, and pewter gray. And I added King's Gold and some neon yellow that kind of turned green because there was so much blue on it. But that's what I was doing when I wasn't filming and thought I was. But here is this thing that I think is going to be my intuitive painting journal. And there's 10 pages in here, I believe. So 40 sides, right? 10 times 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's actually another page right here too. I might separate that. I lost my count. Well, anyway, it doesn't matter. You know, however many it is, that's what it is. So I think this is going to be a lot of fun. I'm going to experiment in this and maybe do some double pages. I don't know, but I love the size of it. And some are obviously bigger than others. Like this isn't as tall, but it has width. This isn't as wide, but it has length. So, and I can add to this too if I want to. Add to the sides. So that's what I was doing today. And Happy New Year, by the way. So this is one thing that I'm going to start for this new year. I don't know what else I'm going to start. I have some projects already in motion. My trashy journal, my collage ring journal things. Those are fun to do. I still have those working to go. And then what else? There's always painting to do. But I finished so many things in 2025 that it's exciting for me to start new things. So I'm glad about that. Anyway, I just thought I'd pop in and show you what is this new thing. And I thought I was filming all this stuff, but I wasn't. Kind of disappointed in myself. But anyway, I did remember to put gloves on. All right, friends, that's it for this video. Love you guys. Thanks for being here and for checking out what's happening on my channel, what I'm doing creatively, and what's filling my artrinsic bucket. This is it today. This is it today. And I'm going to keep playing in here. This has to dry, but I'm going to keep playing maybe with these scraps. All right, friends, we'll talk to you soon. See you on the next one. Take care. And as always, God bless. Bye-bye.